Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Ronnie Subs, and today this is gonna make a new episode of the unpacking of Pokemon cards here in my channel. So this is the continuation, but this is the so this is the season 2 of the unpacking of Pokemon cards, but in the continuation of the episodes. Okay, so let's gonna start it up. Okay, uh so on the last time is I packed some one booster box and also three booster packs. So let's gonna open this up first. So I'm gonna open this up first also, and then that's one. Okay, this is also the last. Okay, we've got another semi-seer V-Star, and also we've got some Suicune V. Okay, and another Kildeo full art, Alaxio, the magenta, okay, the magenta V-Star, Zero Aura, Absol full art, the Cyan V, Corfish, Cornivine, Belossom, Duraludon VMAX, okay, Alapras full art, and what is this one? Okay, Calyrex, okay, Adiro full art. Oh, it's a Radiant Charizard. Okay, Radiant Charizard. Okay, so we're gonna have to put this up first. Okay, and then we've got some Radiant Charizards, and then a Salazar. Okay, and an Eevee. Nice one over there, Eevee. Zero Aura VMAX. Okay, Oricorio full art. Okay, and then an electric bit of full art. Okay, Luxray, Latias Fusion Strike. Oh, nice one. Okay, I already have this, and okay, a Miltank. So I have the Miltank already, so gonna have to separate that full art Miltank in a holograph reverse holo. Okay, let's go to this one, to this booster pack. Okay, we have some Delphax. Okay, and then what is this one? Okay, oh, we have some Duraludon VMAX in this nice rare cards over here. So Incineroar, we have some Incineroar, Raichu, yes, this one, Palosand, Serperior. Oh, I don't have a Serperior. Yes, I have already a Serperior V. Okay, nice one right there, Serperior. And then what is this? Okay, this one. Okay, oh, it's a Reshiram V. Nice. Okay, I love it that kind of Reshiram V. And a Mawile. So, and oh, a Serperior V. Will you look at that? So, okay, where's that one? If you have that Superior V with a trainer, and now a Superior V stands alone with a V. Okay, and then okay, this one right here. Just gonna check. Let's gonna check it out. Okay, let's gonna check. Okay, it's a dark type. It's a dark type. Whoa! It's a reverse holo. Okay, it's a reverse holo Toxic Rogue. Okay, right there. So on to the next. Okay, on to the next. And that's some. Okay, we've got some. Okay, we have some trainer. Oh, Aterakion. Okay, Aterakion. Okay. Oh, unknown V. Nice one. Okay, nice. We've got some unknown. Okay, into the unknown. What is this? Okay. Why? Okay, this one right here. We have some Chestnut V. A Duraludon V Max single strike. And it has the trainer Raihan over there. So There's a Raihan trainer, okay, and then unknown V, okay, trainer, okay, and then it's an it's an Araquanid, okay, it's an Araquanid. Oh, Alugia, okay, Alugia, okay, nice one. I have some Lugia V-Star, so I'm just expecting a holographic. Okay, I'm just a holographic, and it's a steel type. Okay, what is this one? Steel type. Steel type. Whoa, it's a Corviknight V with a semi-hollow. Okay, semi-hollow. Okay, and onto the last one. Okay, let's go to the last one. Okay, let's go to the last one. Let's go. Okay. 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 What is this? Okay, I don't know how to open this one. Okay, I think this one right here. So, okay, into the unknown. Okay, another unknown. A trainer. Oh, a Lugia V. Oh, nice one over there. So, okay. Why this card? Okay. Another Judge. Terrakion. Where can I put this Terrakion? Okay. Hey, where's that? Okay. I'm gonna put that one that first right there, and then it's a Wailord. Okay, it's a Corviknight VMAX. Oh! Okay, with a taxi Corviknight VMAX from the game Sword and Shield. So I have that game also. I have the game Sword and Shield. So we're gonna put this VMAX right there. Okay, and then I'm gonna have to reverse this upside down. Okay, so I don't know what is that one. Okay, we have some Glalie. Okay, okay, and then it's a Medicham. Okay, right, so Glalie, where can I put you? Okay, and a Medicham. So on to the last one. Oh, it's a water type. Okay, let's check this out. Okay. Oh, big mouth. Okay, as you can see, it's a big mouth. Let's check this out. Oops. Okay. Whoa, it's a semi-hollow Glalie. Yes, right, one over there. So that was our first episode for today. Okay, and I got some another Radiant Charizard. Nice one over here. A Radiant Charizard, and then the next is I'm gonna put that over there. So I have some VMAX cards. So I have some Corviknight VMAX, Taxi, Duraludon VMAX, another Duraludon VMAX, and a Zeraora VMAX. So nothing new, but I got some Glalie over here. So, and then let's go to this one. Okay, Glalie or Glalie. Okay, so we have some Medicham, Glalie, Wailord, at Terrakion. Okay, Araquanid, another Terrakion again, Palossand, Raichu, Incineroar, Delphax, Luxray, Electric, Salazar, Calyrex, Carnivine, Veloso, Corfish, Zeraora, and Alaxion. So, okay, and then I'm gonna put this one first also right here. So, got some trainer. Okay, trainer, and then have some legendary V-Star also. Two legendary V-Star, the Magenta and Lugia, and another Simisear. Okay, so from this one, the V card, we have some Lugia, nice one over here. From Illustrator, Mitsuhiro Akira. So, okay, legendary. Okay, another unknown. Okay, Legendary, Superior, Eevee, and Suicune, and the Cyan Legendary. So, and we got some Terrakion over here, and then this full art. Okay, this full art, Latias Fusion Strike. Oh, nice that one. And got some Bidoof, Oricorio, Ditto with a sudden transformation. Okay, and then another Lapras, another. Okay, and on to the last one over here is also Glalie. Nice one over here. Okay, and also a Corviknight V, Toxic Rock, and Miltank. So that was our that was my pulls for today. So that one right here, nice one. Okay, nice. Okay, so okay. So okay, that's it for this vlog, and I hope you enjoy. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more unpacking of Pokemon cards, toys, cycling activities, cycling gadgets, and all cycling gadgets, text and gadgets, and a lot more here in my channel. Okay, so thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell below so that you will not miss all of the upcoming future vlogs here in my channel.